So, here we go again. I have contacted, I don't know how many times, and I have asked them several times to come and fix this. Now, my backyard is starting to flood. I am losing everything because the railroad people, oh, look, I'm sinking in the mud because it is so flooded all the way up here. Look at this. I can't even walk without going into the ground. Oh yeah, my tennis shoes are getting ruined. Look, see how I'm sinking? Look. So, I guess, look here. See it? See how bad I'm flooding? Because the railroad doesn't want to do their job? Oh, look. This would be in my whole backyard soon. And it's only rained, what, 10, 15 minutes maybe? Oh, yeah. Look at that. My shoes are soaked. My feet are soaked. Yeah. I've contacted, and I've contacted, and I have contacted. You know what? I'm over it. Look at that. Look at this. See it? Over there? It's already flooding over there. Wow, we ain't gonna have nothing left because the railroad doesn't want to help me. Look. Look at this. Look. See this? Oh, look. Oh, I wonder what's wrong. I wonder why your yard's so flooded. I'm a little mad right now. Oh, look. It broke through the fence. Now, underneath my trampoline, my kid's trampoline's ruined, the pool's ruined. Look how deep it is. I know it don't look that deep, but my shoes are soaked. Look at this. Look. Look how deep. Look at that. You see how deep that is? See that? Look at this. Watch me walk. Look how deep. See that? Because the railroad doesn't want to fix their stuff. So, you know what? Oh, look. A chair's already got swept away. Oh, something else I got to add to my collection that I got to get rid of. Because the railroad doesn't want to fix it. And it's 451 Caribou. Look at this. Look. Look. Oh, I am so upset. So over this. Look at this. Oh, yeah. That's it. Look. Look at this. Look. Oh, that's coming pretty hard. Look. See it? Look how fast. See that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's washed away in my backyard. Look at that. Look at this. Look. Oh, I am so upset. Oh, look. Yeah. Looks really bad out here because it won't stop raining and the railroad won't fix it. Look what it's done to my yard. Look at this, what it has done. See this all? Look what it has done to my yard. Look at that. See that? Look. Look. It's all coming from there. And it goes all the way up to there to the railroad tracks. I'm over it. I want it fixed.